This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved and enjoy the show.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. I hope you're having a great day. Look, I've got to start off by saying that Bitcoin has done very little once again. It's definitely locked in a tussle between buyers and sellers in a very strong consolidation for the time being. Now, nothing changes on my analysis from yesterday, so to speak. As I say, on the Bitfinex chart, if it breaks above 81.50, we'll have a higher low and then, of course, a new higher high. If, however, it does the opposite and it continues to move to the downside, well, then of course, the break that needs to continue, the break we need to see for a continuation lower is really the low of 7455. As it stands, we are very, very sideways. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is a very good thing when it comes to building sats. You see, I trade on the alts around this time against Bitcoin. Now, there are some alts that have some great leverage. Think of Litecoin against Bitcoin, which is on an absolutely stratospheric grind to the upside at the moment. It is pushing very, very well. A definite leader in the top 10 for the time being. So for me, I'll be looking to build my sats whilst Bitcoin consolidates. Now, we saw this way back, a couple of times last year. If you consider the period from about August through to November, mid-November, we saw a very strong consolidative period through there as well. Again, a very good time to be trading alts. We saw it also at the start of this year where, we did see some momentum, but not a great deal. And it was a great time, once again, to be building positions, taking trades in the alts against Bitcoin, looking to build your sats. Same sort of thing right now, and many of those have come into my watch list, one of which I will suggest is Binance. I really like a break level on Binance. If you know the Bitcoin breakout strategy, go and have a look. Now, before I go through this entire top 10, two things. We've now publicly gone out there and said that we are very stoked to have been above 1 million downloads. So thank you to all of you, every single goddamn last one of you. We appreciate it to no end. Yes, I've been grinding on this for a very long time. I don't get paid by the projects that come onto the show. So it's been a lot of work, a lot of work. I love it, don't get me wrong, but it's a constant everyday 5-day week. Get up in the morning, do the podcast, which is great for my routine every day, of course, which is what you need as a trader. But 1 million podcast downloads. Very, very happy. We've currently got Australia and US sort of tussling for the top spot of downloads. I think it's the United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand come in, and then a really long trail of other countries. But thank you to every single person that's been supporting the show, listening to it day in and day out. I hope you still enjoy the content. I'm constantly trying to find new guests, new angles, new things to help you guys out. On top of that, yesterday was a big day. We've also gone out and we have released our first ever in-classroom events. Now, the first series of events are going to be held around Australia and possibly Auckland as well, which is the bronze course taught to you in a classroom by me taking you through it. You're going to ask me questions, sit in a room with like-minded traders like yourself, and have a member of our trading team sitting there amongst that group, working with you, helping you through the workbook, which you'll be able to, of course, take home with you. So it's a very new product for us. We're very, very excited. We have been absolutely smashed last night when we actually launched this. Places are filling quick, so if you do want to get a place, get across to tradercobb.com/classroom, and you'll be able to see there's a little registration page. You'll see what you get in the courses, what the dates are, all of that, and just register your information there and your city. Now, if you are not in Australia, that is not a problem at all. Put your city in anyway, because we can always travel somewhere else if we get enough interest. The second page will take you through even more. So that's tradercobb.com/classroom. Share it around and get involved. Really excited about that. So, yeah, we're sitting at $7,900 right now in Bitcoin. Again, another day where we rejected that 8,000 open. Ethereum, we're currently seeing, again, looking pretty average across the charts. A really not very inspired chart, if I'm absolutely honest with you, and still cranking along sideways. When it comes to EOS, There's actually a really nice rejection over the last three-day candles of $6. I'm still waiting for my opportunity to enter. If I get that opportunity, I would certainly take it, but I'm still waiting. It's currently, we've just opened the candles. It's still looking okay, but it's holding out on that $6 mark. Still, $6.33 is where we currently are, and Ethereum is at $245. Stellar's at 12.2 cents, and a very average looking chart, not much to really speak to there. The same with XRP. Look, it's been grinding lower. Again, I haven't found any shorts at this stage. There's nothing of real true interest for me just yet. I'm happy to sit back and really not have anything to do with it. On to Litecoin now, and it's at 39 cents. Now, Litecoin has been the shining star of the top 10 of late. Whether you look at top 10 against the dollar or Bitcoin, it's been having a very, very tremendous run. Yesterday closed up 4.79%. The day before, 12.96. Nothing seems to be slowing or stopping Litecoin's dominance here in the top 10. It continues to rise. And yes, I am very much so looking for opportunities to trade this, waiting for pullbacks. 136.57 is where it's trading. Bitcoin Cash is sideways, sluggish, and slow, to put it lightly. It's trading at $387. And yesterday, a very slight down day of about 1.87%. Binance is the token of choice for me today. I really, really like a level of resistance that is formed against Binance against Bitcoin. Really nice looking trade. They're nothing so much against Tether for the time being, but it's starting to show signs that we may see it have a little bit of a move again. Of course, with the margin trading options now coming out, there's a lot of talk about Binance as well. Tron, yesterday, well, it was down again too, 2%. It's sitting right now. Binance is sitting at $31.89. Tron is at 3.1 cents. And it's already down 2%. Oh, no, that's on yesterday. 2% down yesterday. Cardano did have a bullish day yesterday. It did move higher. Again, a very average looking chart. Not one that I'm too interested. Coming back to Bitcoin to wrap this puppy up. We're still consolidating, guys. It's as simple as that. We've got to break down and we've got to break up. Until we do, I'll be trading alts. Have a great day. And don't forget, trade at cobb.com/classroom to register your interest for the event and get all the details. Go check it out. I appreciate it. And thank you for your support with 1 million downloads. Bye for now. This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved.